Why are you not making your own body butter at home? Like, why? Tell me why. Why are you not making your own body butter at home? Why do you used to buy body butter when you can make it from your comfort zone? After this video, you won't buy body butter outside again. You will start to make your own body butter for your kitchen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are just hearing this voice for the first time, welcome and blessing. Or if you are just coming across this particular channel for the very first time, thank you for clicking. Welcome to my channel and blessing. You guys, let's make body butter at home. So you guys, I'm using 1 kilo of shea butter and 250 grams of mango butter. Reason why my shea butter is much more than the mango butter is because shea butter is a soft butter and mango butter is a hard butter. In order to get a very good soft and fluffy butter, all you need is more of soft butter and less of hard butter. So mango butter is a hard butter and shea butter is a soft butter. That's why I'm using more of shea butter than the mango butter. Usually I will just use mango butter, cocoa butter and shea butter. I will use these three butter together. And as well, cocoa butter is also a hard butter, so you don't need too much of it. To balance the equation, you need more of shea butter or avocado butter, because avocado butter is also a soft butter. To make your butter quick mint, all you need to do is to just slice them into cube. That way your butter will mint in no time. And I did the double boiling method, which means I put water for fire first, allow my water hot small, then I put stainless plates on the fire with the butter inside the stainless plate. Emphasis on stainless plate because not only stainless plates go fit runner for you. So I put them for fire, I allow am melt, I turn them, I keep stirring. I didn't leave it and go sleep, no, I keep stirring it. Then I transferred it into another bowl, touch it, allow it to cool down for a bit. And if you put your finger can take it for some seconds, then your butter is cooled enough for you to go in with other oils. So I went in with this thing, olive oil. This is a full brown bottle, brand new olive oil, a full one. I was just turning, like I just the turn. I just wait for my ancestors to tell me, say, it don't do. See, oil needed too much for butter. So I leave am for fridge for so many hours. But usually I will just leave it inside freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Then it go form. You don't need to, your butter don't need to form hard. No, you can see how my whisker they go inside easily. Then all you just need to do is to whisk it. And this whisk is small. It is small, except you are making a very little batch. This is not a small batch. It's small, but it's not small. You get, so this whisker so is small. My whisker spoiled from the previous one I made last 3 months. So I say make I use my girlfriend. Don't, unfortunately my girlfriend mixer is small too now for egg. So I just take and do the starter. And one mistake I made was leaving this butter back again in the fridge for the next day. Because I need to go buy new mixer to round up the whipping, because that small one, you know, go fit do the job for me. My mistake was leaving this butter inside fridge for a long time. I have never left my butter this long before. No, since I started making body butter, I haven't left my butter this long before. So you can see how strong it is now, because I even leave it for daybreak. I leave until daybreak again. After leaving them for long hours inside fridge, because that day I tire, I no fit whip, I no fit do fast. So I don't leave and make it by itself, do it in small inside fridge. I just break the butter. I just try use my hand mixer to break the butter small, so that I'll feel whip am, because it's already strong. You can tell from this video, it's already strong. But the least you can just leave your butter inside freezer is 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. Then your butter go form for you. You don't need your butter to be hard. You can see it from the first whipping video, from the first whipping clip. You can tell that is the limits your butter needs to reach for you to start whipping. Then if you don't want to use inside fridge, you can as well inside free. If you don't want to use freezer, you can as well leave it inside the fridge. That's it. It will give you the same result. Just that for my own, for this particular one, I leave them for inside fridge till they break again because I need to buy mixer. So I just transfer them inside another bowl. Then I added vitamin E. There is no measurement for this thing, for this vitamin E of 18. No measurement. Just put it as your ancestors tell you to stop, because you are not selling it. You're not selling it. It's for your body, it's for your skin. After the vitamin E, I went ahead to add scent of my choice, which is vanilla. Vanilla is a babe. Then I had vanilla. You can add any scent of your choice, any essential oil you choose. It's fine. Just do you in as much as it's not for, you're not selling it. Do you any scent of your choice. There are a lot of scents on Amazon. You can just grab anyone. After that, I had tea tree essential oil. That's my son's hand, his small hand. I just add as my spirit lead me. Add as you want to add, because they are good for our skin. You get. So in as much as it's not for commercial, it's for you, it's for your own benefit. So how does you like? Then I went ahead with moringa oil. We all know moringa oil is good. Like tea tree, moringa, those two, they are not joking. They are good for our skin. So I add as my ancestors direct me to add rich. After then, just go back again to whipping my butter. Meanwhile, my pikin just shout, "Mommy, I want to help you. Mommy, I want to help you. Mommy, I want to help you." Even though I tell her, say, "Leave it. You can't do it." He say, "No, I will do it. I will do it." And I told him, "Leave it. Let me do it." He say, "No, it's not only cook. I will help you to cook. And let me help you to do this as well." Because he loves to be in the kitchen with me. You have to whip the hell out of your butter. Whip it. At the same time, don't over whip. Whip it until you have a creamy consistency. You can tell from this video that how creamy and soft it is. No seed. Just whip it. Whip the hell out of it. I later give and share, make it share do in hand, no career. Then I say, "Okay, Marvis, let me do it." He said, "No, I want to do it myself. I'm going to waste my time. I have other things to do." So I just have to join him in whipping it. Just whip your butter. See, you can see how I'm whipping it, and you see the fluffiness. Whip the hell out of your butter. Very important to get, because you have to make it soft while making it now. While whipping it, you have to whip it till it's soft, because as time goes on, it go dey strong. They go. The more the butter take for us, the more it is strong. You get. So all you just need to do is to whip it from the very first. They whip it to be very, very soft and fluffy. Then as time they go, the thing will begin the strong more. That doesn't mean that you cannot take it. No, you still be able to take it. The moment you cut and put for hand, it go melt. That's butter for you. After then, I say, "Okay, let me use my spatula so you can see how soft it is. No seed inside." This boy no let me do this video in peace. This boy no let me do this my video in peace. So, "Mommy, I want to do it. Mommy, I want to do it." Now that and Mr. Nine just a sweet time for inside. You can see how my spatula is spatuling it. You see how the spatula take the spatula the butter. There is no single seed. That is how your body butter should be. Very soft. It should be very soft and fluffy, that you will not see any traces of seed inside. And that is it. Your butter is ready. Shikena. Very, very simple. Kole. It's very simple, not hard. So just start making your body butter at home. Most importantly, if you have dry skin or your children get dry skin, body butter is the best. Since I discovered body butter, is more than a year, going to 2 years now, I never turn back to any other cream again. Because my son get dry skin, husband get dry skin, but me, I get oily skin. But I have to find solution for the family, you get. So that is when I started body butter, and we never turn back again. Body butter is so good for our skin. Very, very good. It helps you to repair your skin. It helps repair your skin barriers. Very good. So just start, please start using body butter. You will not regret it. Then let me show you how I take they put on for my container. Will be say in a day messy for me. Then I use cup. I love to improvise. I love to improvise. Just go with the flow. I love to improvise. Sometimes I don't like buying things unnecessarily, so I just improvise. Some people prefer to use ice cream scoop to scoop their own inside their container. It's fine if you have that, but if you don't have that, you don't need to say because you say I want to do body, but I want to get all your instruments complete. No, you can improvise, my sister. I just love to use this method because it works for me. Why some people they buy those cake decorating, what is decorate cake for icing sugar, what is decorate cake. Some people they use that one. If you don't have that, just use this. And if you don't want to use this, I was still going to show you another method that you can as well just do it. Improvise. You don't have to say I need to get everything before I will do this. No, improvise is very, very important. All you need to do is to use scissors, cut them for the nyash. If you cut them for the nyash, finish. Bring your jar, bring your container, whatever you want, put your butter, then just put them. See, just the press and put. The press and the wine and the press and the wine. Hey, blessing, no. Just a press. Just a press and don't mind me, that's not me. Just a press and the wine and put. If you have watched up to this moment, if you have stayed to this moment, thank you for staying tuned. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I beg now, subscribe for me. Thank you. And if you just see this channel for the first time and you click thank you. You will even click alone, go on safe. Now you be baba. Thank you very much for clicking. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. All you just need just the presser. And that's it. After pressing it, as you the presser, hit them for ground. Hit them for, if you don't want to hit them for ground, if not bottle they use, just hit them for your palm. You see what they do? Just hit them for the palm so that for your palm, so that it go down. That way you add more. It will not be messy. And if you want to sell it, you can still do this way. You can still do it this way. It won't be messy. It will sit pretty well inside your jar or your container. Hard. If you want to sell it, you don't have to make it full up to this point to the mouth. But me, I don't want to sell it, so I just put everything like that. All you just need to do is to use your hand, arrange them more, and that's it. Let me show you the second method. The second method is just to use my spatula. Very easy. This one is the most easiest one that I like to use if I'm using wide this thing. Just scoop them with a spatula, put them inside, scoop again, put them inside. Then you hit them for your hand. That is all you basically need to do, and it will as well sit pretty well inside too. It no go dey messy. You see, you not go dey messy. Very easy. Easy peasy. It's not that hard. It's not difficult. Thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this particular butter video, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Oh shit, thank you. See you guys on my next video. And that's it. I'm done with it. You see, I say no hard. Very simple. You can make butter from your comfort zone. You can make body butter from your comfort, and you can just do it as if you want to sell. As if I said this thing, to say I not go see customer, I go sell because it's neat, no roughness. You get, start making body butter from your comfort zone, from your kitchen. Thank you guys for